And my plan is to make a quick look at this condenser unit that is not running. I'm just going to check the basics. This site here has an incredible amount of power outages. This thing is loaded with fuses everywhere. Jeez. That one's good. I just put it back so I don't forget where it goes. That's good. That's good. Like I said, it's so bright, I gotta put this multimeter in the shade. And the backlight on. I still can't tell. I got nothing. Has anybody heard of, see my problem is it's so damn bright out here. We got a white roof, we got the sun shining. How about a multimeter that tells you audibly what the voltage is? So when you can't see it, it speaks to you and tells you. Is that out there? If not, somebody should make it. Give a tech a hand. Somewhere I saw a panel, yeah. CRCU1. Take a picture of that. I can't remember shit. Alright, we got a picture. Alright, let's go check out the electrical panel. Alright, we're entering the electrical room. I think it said CRU1, something like that. Critical panel. The TPP2. Well, if it's labeled correctly, it should be in here. I see a trip breaker there already, but this is what it looked like, CRU-1. So 19, 20, and 23. Did I read that right? 19, 21, 23. 19, 21, 23. Says it's on. Let's see what it feels like. Feels pretty good. I am going to go up there and double check for power. And if I confirm there's no power up there, I'll take this panel off and get my leads on there. All right, just went down to the air handler. It's a Leibert unit, and figured out what the password was to unlock it. And it's got a main fan alarm from like July 12th. It's like July 18th now. It gives me the option to reset everything, so I'm going to try that one time before I continue on with the power thing. Since I didn't find the breaker trip to that condenser unit up there, I'm thinking perhaps the communication goes through the air handler, and when there's a call for cooling, just a guess, then there's a contactor down there that energizes the condenser unit. Let's see if I'm right or not. But I'm going to go turn the power back on that condenser unit and then go back to the air handler and reset it and see what it does or not. I don't know Leibert's terminology. Main fan, kind of to me, would be the blower motor. So we'll see. Alarm's off. So here's that main overload I was talking about. Main fan overload. I did acknowledge them. I'm going to do a reset. See what happens. I don't know if I need to acknowledge this or not, but I will. Alright, reset. Looks like it went away and came right back on. Alright, I went ahead and opened this up a little bit more, looking for the blower. The blower is actually behind here. Got the power off. I just pushed the reset on the blower contactor, so I want to energize it and see if anything changes. It's a little quieter here. So I pressed the reset on the blower contactor, the motor overload. Not sure if it was tripped or not. I didn't pay super close attention. So I'm gonna start it back up and see if there's any change. Yeah, the blower's on now. Let's see for how long. Sorry, it's really loud in here. Alright, so I put it on the alarm page. So I'm thinking that motor overload was tripped, so I reset it. Let's see what happens. let this run for a little bit, and I'll go up back on the roof at the condenser unit and see if it's running. I'll let you see what I see at the same time. CRU1 is the unit I'm working with. Check that out. I don't know if you see it, the fan's black, but the condenser unit is running. The filters were not dirty down there. I didn't get a chance to reach in and actually, with the power off, rotate the fan pulleys and check for you know, restrictions, or if it's the blower is hard to turn, or bearings on the motor or fan shaft. But like I said, I don't want to get into it too much. If it's operating properly, I don't want to be going down a rabbit hole, as I'm saying, with this site, because I'm fully aware that there's a lot of power issues from the utility. Just, I don't know what it is over here, but it seems like every few weeks the power goes out. I'm gonna go ahead and I gotta put this back in. I want to close that up, but I got the freaking manual out. Alright, I'm just gonna let it run. I'm not gonna close it up. I don't want to be trying to test this and then I'm shutting this off and adding more complication. Alright, I got other work orders here. By the way, my name is Tom. I'm a facility maintenance tech, and just showing you many work orders, like the channel says, work order mania. But this one's been this problem's been on my mind for a little while. I just haven't had time to really look at it. So I made time this morning because they have that MRI equipment room down there, and they have to keep the door open, which isn't a good thing for many reasons. One is the noise. I mean, right next to it are patient exam rooms and doctors trying to cure people, and you got all this noise and the door open, and you know, problems need to be taken care of. All right, let's head back down. So I just thought I would do my first steps trying to restore cooling to that room. So I know a little bit more about it now. I don't think I put in the clip that motor reset on the contactor. I'll throw up a picture of that. Or head back in and monitor for a little bit, and if everything's good, we'll go ahead and close it up, and then we get rid of that spot cooler in there and shut the door. Then I can let the MRI technologist know that cooling's been fixed. We got 100% fan going, which we did not have before. We're in cooling mode. Supply temp 61 degrees. Return temp 69. Just gonna let it run and do its thing. Basically a computer room for MRI. I turned off this spot cooler. Put as much demand on the Leibert unit if they can. Alrighty. See you on the next work order. I just want to share a little bit of my story in facilities maintenance. No matter where you're at, hotel maintenance, apartment maintenance, building maintenance. I'm doing building maintenance for healthcare. I am dedicated to one customer in the Chicagoland area. They have 150 locations. I don't go to them all. I'm one of 8 maintenance techs that moves around. I do have a few sites that are just mostly dedicated to me. A couple outpatient surgery centers. The building I was in now, a medical office building, that was a radiology department. It has DEXA scan, CT scan, MRI scan, some x-ray rooms. Anyhow, what I want to get to is a lot of these companies out here, they will not train you. You're very lucky if they send you out for training. Most of us get on-the-job training from people, coworkers who've been there a while and know more than you do, and if they're willing to teach you and you are motivated to learn, which has been my case. I've worked with a lot of maintenance techs, and the ones that go far and escalate their knowledge and skill are the ones that don't get a work order and say, who do we call for this? I mean, a vendor or contractor. The ones who improve their skill, and they're the ones that will get in front of the equipment and try and figure it out. Meaning, if it's something you've never seen before, perhaps the manual, perhaps go on YouTube like this, learn what you can, put the effort in every day, and you'll be surprised on what you can learn and how you can build your skill set. I've been a lead technician for a long time. Wasn't my choice to go up into management. I surely could. That's just not me. I'm not an office person. I don't want to be on the phone all day. I don't want to be looking at a computer screen all day. I love troubleshooting. I love seeing new things in troubleshooting, and I get a great sense of satisfaction when I take care of the problem. Of course, I do it for money too. We all got to make a living. But the point is, have the courage to do something different. Have the courage to not know, but look into it and build your skills day after day. And improves your value. Your company will see that. They will recognize it. And then you can move up if you choose to. And that's it for my spiel. Thanks for watching.